My name is Mike Nagel. I'm the President and CEO of Vomaris Innovations. We've been a Boyd customer for 6.5 years. Vomaris Innovations is a medical device company. We're located in Tempe, Arizona. Our flagship technology is biocompatible microcell battery technology. So being a unique technology, the next step that we have to take it is the technology has to be super easy to use for the end user. We originally went to Boyd, being a small company, a med device company with sometimes limited resources. We wanted a company that was going to offer us, unparalleled customer service, great accessibility, technical expertise, and really the ability to do world-class converting to our technology. With our recent design of our FlexiFit device, it was a very unique device, and it's one size fits all for surgical incisions. We had several designs that we originally came to Boyd with, and what they were able to do on the front end is work with us and determine with us what was going to be the most easily manufactured product, what product we would be able to hit the easiest cost targets on, and really the recommendations for the best material for us to use to accomplish our goals. So they were invaluable during the entire process from concept to first manufacturing run. I'd recommend Boyd for a lot of reasons, but really the same things that make any relationship successful: dependability, reliability, and accessibility, and the ability to work together and get us rapid designs back, the ability to grow with them in volume. We don't have to worry that they don't have the capability when our products really reach another level of volume. They really have all the technology we need right here with one-stop shopping. Customer service is exceptional at Boyd. Anyone on my team, whether it be manufacturing, finance, production, anybody can get a hold of anyone at Boyd, anytime they need or have a question. The other thing too is when we needed to come here for maybe critical runs where we needed to physically see what would happen, they could very rapidly get back to us, schedule in manufacturing. So they're just, again, reliable, accessible, dependable. That's the cornerstone of what makes Boyd so unique for us.